Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I am going to show you a evil strategy to make money online. So actually it is not that evil, but this strategy is generally called evil strategy because you are going to use other people's hard work to make money for yourself. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process in this video, so watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So as you can see, firstly you need to do is sign up to this platform that is called CPA Grip. If you don't know what CPA Grip, it is an affiliate network or CPA network where you can find offers in this way. Now these offers you don't need to bring any sales. Let's select United States, and in category you can select, so in category let's select email zip submit. So now if you select these two settings like United States and email zip submit, then you will see there are lots of offers that you can promote. And let's say for example you want to promote this offer, so let's click on it and let me open this image. Now people just need to take this small survey, 3-step survey, and they need to submit their email address, and for that we will get paid $1.71. so you can promote any of the offers that are available at here. So let's talk about this offer in this video. So now in order to get your specific affiliate link to promote this offer where you can get $2.05 paid, this is the link. Okay, now this offer is only allowed on mobile device, so this is not a compatible offer for this strategy. So let's just go with this one. So now you can simply copy this link. Now whenever people sign up either from their mobile device, tablet or desktop, you will get paid $1.71. Now you can simply copy the link. So now the second thing you need to do is you need to go to a site that is called rite.ly. okay, so now what we are going to do with this site is like we are going to use other people's website, other people's work to promote this offer, that is PayPal gift card giveaway. Okay, now how I'll show you that. Okay, and also we are going to use free traffic strategy for this specific evil strategy. So firstly what you can do is you can source. Now this is an example, okay, how to become millionaire in 2022, and you will see lots of article like 9 ways to become rich. So whenever this kind of article appears in front of people directly, then people would most likely love to read this kind of article. Okay, so now it is already ranking in the top of the Google. That means people are already engaging with this kind of content. So this content that you are going to promote should be a little bit sensational, like whenever people see it in front of them, then people should love to read that. Okay, even if they don't have interest in that. So for example, if you are sitting and directly something sitting in front of your mobile or desktop, then you will certainly see like 9 ways to become rich. Obviously you may not have any active interest on becoming rich, okay, but still you will be interested to read that article at least. Okay, that kind of article you need to find, and one of the best article could be this 9 ways to become rich. So now this is the article. Okay, so now once you find this article, now what you need to do is you need to again go to CPA Grip, copy your affiliate link of this offer. Okay, and then you should go to this rite.ly, and then what you need to do is you need to click on this create new ad and give this ad name, like this is the name, and then this is the offer link, and yes, then just select rite.ly or rite.link, whichever is suitable for you. Just select that domain and click on add, and then here you can see this is called evil pop-up. That's why also this strategy is called evil strategy, and you can simply click on text and click on this evil pop-up. So this is the name, and in this way your evil pop-up will appear in this other people's site. Okay, I'll quickly show you how. So how much second after you want to show, maybe 5, 10. Okay, let's put, for now I'll put 5 seconds, but you can make like 10, 15, 20 seconds, that would be fine. Okay, and then in profile name you can put like PayPal gift card. So let's put this one, and it will appear in this way. And in profile picture you can simply download any picture that you would love, and you can upload that picture. Okay, so for now let's see if there is any image in my okay, I have some fav icon, so let's put this one, and it will appear in this way. Okay, but you can put any kind of PayPal logo or any that kind of logo. And get in touch. So here is the get in touch. Now you need to change this text, like enter now to win $750 PayPal gift card. So you can do is write these things, and if you want sound, then you can select this alert sound or this, and in my latest tweet you can write enter now. So these texts are your, however you wish to use this kind of text in clever way, you can use this. Okay, PayPal gift card. So button link, in button link now it's time to copy this one link and paste it at here in this way. Okay, so now after that, here you can see in logo link, if you have any, I think it is talking about this one. Okay, you can upload any other logo. Let's see if I can upload this one. Yeah, powered by. Here you can write anything you want, like powered by. We can't write like PayPal, it is not good to write like PayPal. Okay, but for now, just for this example, I am writing this, but you can use any other text like powered by simple survey. Let's say simple survey, or like 3-step survey, powered by 3-step survey. You can write this kind of text, powered by three-step survey, and here you can put anything that is relatable to PayPal. Okay, and enter now to win $750 PayPal gift card. Now this similar thing you can write here also. Okay, it's your choice, but for now I'm just doing this much. So once you do this much, then you can click on done. So now you can see your this is the evil pop-up. Okay, so now you need to create an ad by entering the destination URL. So once this step is finished, then what you can do is you can copy this article and paste this article at here, and click on here and select this get $750 PayPal gift card, and then click on create link with ad. So now let's wait for some time. So now this is the link which will open this article with your evil pop-up. Okay, so now let's click on this and let me show you. Let's paste it and enter. So it will take like 5 seconds for your evil pop-up to come in this article. So okay, so already it is 5 seconds is already spent, and my internet was little bit slow, that's why it came at here. Okay, so what, okay, so let's wait. So let me reload it again. Okay, so it will not work in that way. We need to go again with this link. So this is the link that will make your pop-up appear. So now pop-up is not here right now. Okay, so okay, now it appeared after 5 seconds. Now you can make it like, so people will be reading. If you make it up to 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, anywhere above 20 seconds would be good. Okay, and people will be reading this article and they will see PayPal gift card. Okay, make sure to put some good image at here. Enter now, powered by 3-step. Okay, and they will click on this enter now, and they will sign up to your offer that was from CPA group, and if they submit their email address, then you will be making $1.71. So now your email pop-up is ready. So this will be the link for this article. Now what you need is the traffic source. So now what you can do is you can go to Hercules.com and you can sign up for absolutely free, and you will be able to advertise to thousands daily for free. So you can send 1,000 emails per day to random people for absolutely free. So I have already shown about this using this Hercules in some of my previous video. I'll make sure to put that video in the link in videos link in the description of this video, okay, about this, how to use this Hercules and how you can send 1,000 emails to other people, random people, for absolutely free. I'll show you. I'll put that link in the description of this video. So this is the one traffic source that you can use. So now you just need to write email. So for email, you can say in title 9 ways to become rich in 2022, and you can copy paste some of the text from here and put it in the body of that email, and you can put this link in the link section where I've already shown it in other videos. I'll make sure to put it in the description, and you can watch that and you'll see where you need to actually put the link. So now the second strategy that you can use is you can go to this simpletraffic.co, okay, simpletraffic.co, and here you can see get started with 2,500 free visitors on our 5-day free trial. So you can get their free trial and you can promote this link, okay, in simpletraffic.co. and if you see their pricing, then so just for $15 per month you can get up to 15k visitors. So these visitors are in huge volume. Now these are not some bot, okay, they are real people, okay. You can read how they are driving traffic to your specific site and you'll understand. So you'll get up to 500 visitors per day with simpletraffic.co. So you can sign up to this platform and test their traffic, and if it is good for you, then you can go with their paid plan, $15, and there are more. So you can see, does this work with AdSense, how can I cancel, how can I get refund, where do the visitor come from, you can read everything, okay. So altogether, to sum up, firstly you need a affiliate link, then you need to create your email pop-up, okay, for this email strategy, and then you need to create an ad, and you will be able to get this kind of specific link because you have used this kind of article at here. So and then you need to sign up to this Hercules Plus, which is absolutely free, and then you can drive traffic from this simpletraffic.co also. So guys, altogether I wanted to show you in this video, and it will really help you to make money if done in well manner. And if you want to watch more making money online videos, then you can visit to my channel and watch different video that is related to making money online. I keep on publishing videos related to making money online. So guys, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, do like this video, and take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.